Today, we're about to dive deep into a subject that affects millions of men worldwide, yet often remains shrouded in secrecy and embarrassment. Forget the old-school Kegel exercises you've heard about. We're about to unveil the secrets to achieving a healthy, robust erection that will leave you feeling confident and revitalized. This isn't just about getting an erection. It's about reclaiming your confidence, your relationships, and your overall well-being. Number 1. Supine. This exercise involves engaging the muscles around your waist and pulling the testicular sac into the pelvic cavity while lying on your back. Repeat this exercise about 20 times, even if you experience some soreness initially. It focuses on the lower abdominal muscles and the perineum, the area between the testicles and anus. By strengthening these muscles, you improve blood flow to the pelvic region. Enhanced blood circulation is crucial for achieving and maintaining erections, making this exercise a foundational step in addressing erectile dysfunction. Number 2. Supine with legs extended exercise. Similar to the first exercise, this variation is performed with legs extended. It challenges the engagement of abdominal and pelvic floor muscles while lying down. Strengthening these muscles further enhances blood circulation in the pelvic area, aiding in erectile function. The added difficulty helps improve control and endurance of these vital muscle groups. Like the first exercise, practice this one about 20 times. Number 3. Sitting. Exercise. While sitting, you create a brace sensation and pull the testicular sac inward. This exercise primarily targets the muscles around the waist and the perineum. Sit towards the edge of a chair with feet flat on the floor. Engaging these muscles in a seated position contributes to better control of pelvic floor muscles during everyday activities, including sexual intercourse. Improved control can lead to enhanced erectile function and sexual satisfaction. Create the brace sensation by engaging muscles around your waist. Before I continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. Number 4. Standing exercise. In a standing position, you focus on the brace sensation and pull the testicular sac inward, engaging lower abdominal muscles. The standing exercise emphasizes the engagement of lower abdominal muscles, which can help maintain better posture and support the spine. This can indirectly improve blood circulation and pelvic stability, which are essential for erectile health. This exercise can be incorporated into your daily routine. Number 5. Walking exercise. While walking, you maintain the sensation of pulling the testicular sac inward, engaging the pelvic floor muscles. Walking is a functional exercise that trains the pelvic floor muscles to work in coordination with other muscle groups. This synchronization enhances overall pelvic stability and blood flow, contributing to improved erectile function during various activities. Number 6. Bridging exercise, combining with core workout. This exercise combines the bridge exercise with the engagement of pelvic floor muscles. You pull the testicles in before pushing through the heels to engage glutes and the pelvic floor. By integrating pelvic floor muscle engagement into core workouts, you enhance muscle control and coordination. Strong glutes and pelvic floor muscles provide better support to the lower back and pelvis, leading to improved erectile function and stability during sexual activity. This exercise contributes to muscle development, control, and improved blood circulation in the pelvis. Overall, these exercises aim to strengthen and increase control over the pelvic floor muscles and related muscle groups. This improved muscle function can enhance blood circulation, stabilize the pelvis, and contribute to better erectile function and sexual performance, making them valuable tools for individuals seeking to address erectile dysfunction. In this eye-opening exploration, we've ventured beyond the traditional realm of Kegel exercises and delved into a comprehensive guide on how to attain and maintain a healthy erection. From supine exercises to sitting, standing, and even walking routines, we've seen how each step contributes to strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, improving blood flow, and enhancing control. The combination of these exercises provides a holistic approach to addressing erectile dysfunction. These exercises are not just about achieving immediate results, they are a long-term investment in your sexual health and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for more tips on erectile dysfunction. Also, don't forget to check out our videos on simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your own home by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.